here today in the barn, and with me I have
Joe
and
Doug
and Maya. And together we are going to be working on pulling an engine, which means what?
We're going to swap the engine.
We're going to swap the engine.
Hot rod to the engine stand, and take the one that's in the engine stand and put it in the hot rod.
This is something I have never done before. Joe, have you done this before?
I've done it a few times.
A few times, and Doug, you've done this
Once or twice.
Once or twice. So what we're going to do is Doug is going to be coaching, basically telling Joe and I what we need to be doing to swap the engines, and hopefully it goes all right. Anything, guys?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
And let's have fun.
So what are you doing, Joe?
Tightening down the nuts to secure this plate. We're going to use the plate for lifting. Yeah, but there's no turning. It's I gotta do, I can't get the ratcheting. Okay.
Okay, put the wrench over. There you go.
Hey, I did it. I did it. So proud of myself. Okay, so what, I didn't hear you exactly.
Just hang on to those.
Hang on to this. Am I taking the bolt out?
No, you can
Leave it.
I've got them over here.
So then you got to get the bottom one.
Okay, thank you.
One more right here.
Here?
Yeah, that one. That you might need a.
What are you doing?
Twist the grip. Kind of copper colored bolts.
Right here.
That one up above it. Let's take the one up in the upper corner.
This one?
That one and the one to the next to it.
Up here?
Those, yeah, that one up there.
Okay.
Is there one in the center?
No.
Okay, then let's just take this one out on the corner one on that side.
So don't do this one?
No, don't do that one yet.
Okay.
Do that one and then the one over on this
On
side
that
is
side?
opposite. It's a
It's probably not big
9/16, and you're probably gonna need to use a wrench.
That's
Ratcheting wrench, one of those.
these.
Yeah, I think it's metric. But I gotta get the right size. Oh, probably 15.
So Lindsay, what are you doing now?
I'm taking off the exhaust pipes that were a pain in the ass to put on in the first place. But all fun.
Why don't you take and pull those two spark plug wires off?
These?
You have to get way up tight to the spark plug.
Like, literally, like just pull it in my hand. I'm not doing it. I'm not touching the electricity. This is a good one for you to do, Doug.
This is a whole body workout.
Yeah, this is it.
Don't drop the engine, he says. You're getting all dirty.
Yeah.
Okay, Lindsay, you wanna come over here and hold this?
This,
That whole thing is pretty heavy.
this is torque.
It's working better. Nothing to like fall on my feet or anything.
No, if you don't drop it, it's heavy.
Got it?
I think so.
Oh, we're losing oil, water, oh, that's fine. This is rusty. I got the rag.
Got it? It's gonna come free.
I felt comfortable when I was holding it.
Where do you wanna?
You can set it over on the ground over there anywhere. Okay, you can go ahead and drain that. And then,
Hi, I'm Lindsay, and wait, that's not going to work. It's already uncomfortable.
did you hit the record button?
I think so.